Hi guys, welcome back. Bologna second graders, Mr. O and the second grade team have been working out all week trying to get strong. We have 80s workout week this week. So we're trying to keep in shape as we're staying at home and being safe. And today I'm here to go over our mid-chapter checkpoint, our chapter 10 checkpoint. It's not a lesson today. I just want to read through the checkpoint to make sure I answer any questions you might have and help you get through the checkpoint. So that's what today's going to be about. So I'm about to share my screen with you. You're going to see the actual page and we're going to talk through the questions. And then hopefully that'll answer any questions that may pop in your mind while you're doing it. So here we go. All right. So here it is. Page 668 is where you're going to find this in your chapter 10 math book. It says mid-chapter checkpoint. And the first set of questions are going to use that picture graph, lesson 10.2, 10.3 we went over last week, to ask questions to answer and see if you learned how to use a picture graph. So this one's about favorite seasons, and they had spring, summer, fall, and winter, as you can see. And then that important thing is the key. We want to make sure that we know that each smiley face stands for just one child. And remember, I talked about that could stand for different ones, but for today's graph, you're going to use the smiley face means one child, one of you. So, question one, which season did the fewest children choose? So, by looking at your picture graph, you're going to see the fewest amount or the least amount, right? So, that's the smallest. And you're going to write that season here on the line. You should easily be able to see it based off of the amount of smiley faces that are in each row. Question two, how many more children chose spring than fall? This one will be a little trickier. You're going to look at spring here, and you're going to look at fall, and you're going to count up how many each of them have, and you're going to see how many more kids liked spring than fall. So it could be almost like a subtraction problem. And you're going to write that number here, blank more children, meaning blank more children liked spring over fall. And question three, how many children chose a season that was not winter? So if you go and look at every season on this graph but winter, spring, summer, and fall, and you counted them up, how many children would that be? And you're going to write that number there on the line. So I hope those are pretty easy for you to understand. And our last question, as I scroll down in question 4, is our Think Smarter question. How many children chose a favorite season? Blank children, meaning you're going to go back up and look at your graph and you're going to count all the kids who were surveyed, right? Who gave an answer for their favorite season. You're going to write that number there. And then, just like lesson 10.1, the first lesson last week, you're going to draw tally marks to show this number. So whatever number you create here, you're going to put it in tally marks on this line here to represent that number of children. And I didn't put this in lesson 1, but make sure when you reach 5, every time you reach a group of 5, instead of putting another tally, you slash the 4 other tallies. Make a diagonal line through the other 4. All right. I hope this helps you with this mid-chapter checkpoint and these directions. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. I hope you guys are enjoying them. More importantly, I hope that they're helping you and parents at home. That way, you guys can hear from your teachers and know that we're still here trying to teach you and we care about you guys. Until next time, I will see you tomorrow for the next lesson. Bye-bye.